Why Hayward Construction is the best choice for your next remodeling project, construction remodeling in Bay Area. Learn why we're the top choice and not a second-rate company. Check out our website now. One of the most fulfilling moments in life is remodeling your house to exactly how you want it. This is usually a one-time process because once you achieve your goal of the perfect house, there's no need to change it. That's why you need to make sure you get the best service and quality possible so that your design comes out perfect. Service and quality are the two most important factors when choosing a company to remodel your house. You want to make sure they have excellent customer service so that any problems you have are dealt with in a timely and professional manner. You also want to make sure they use high-quality materials so that your house will look great and last for many years to come. If you take the time to find a company that offers both great service and high quality, then you're sure to be happy with the results of your home remodeling project. Design is not just about practicality or looking good on paper, it's about making your dreams a reality. It's about infusing your personality into your home and creating an ambiance that suits your needs. Whether you're starting from scratch or renovating an existing space, the design process can be daunting. But with a little planning and a lot of imagination, you can turn your house into a home. Construction Remodeling in Bay Area is a Hayward Construction company that you can trust to respect your design and make it a reality. They have the experience and resources to make sure that your project turns out exactly as you envisioned it, without any shortcuts that could jeopardize the quality of the final product. Construction Remodeling in Bay Area understands that your design is a reflection of your hard work and money, and they will do everything in their power to turn it into a reality that you can be proud of. With Hayward Construction, you can rest assured that your vision will be respected and brought to life with the utmost care. Hayward Construction is one of the best construction companies in the Bay Area. Hayward Construction has been remodeling and constructing homes in the Bay Area for over 20 years. Hayward Construction is dedicated to providing the highest quality workmanship and customer service. Hayward Construction has a team of experienced and qualified professionals who are dedicated to their craft. Hayward Construction is licensed and insured. Hayward Construction offers a wide range of services including, but not limited to, home remodeling, home construction, commercial remodeling, and commercial construction. Hayward Construction is committed to providing the best possible experience for their customers. Hayward Construction is proud to be one of the leading Hayward construction companies in California.